Just got your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and want to set up for the first time? If you're a beginner and not sure where to start, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step configuration so you can get your Fire Stick streaming smoothly in no time. Alright, right after unboxing, here are what you get in the box: an HDMI extension converter, the Fire TV Stick itself, the remote, a micro USB power cable, a power adapter, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and a user manual. Let's get started. First, insert the micro USB into the Fire Stick. Make sure it is connected properly. Now gently plug the stick into one of your TV's HDMI ports. It is recommended to use the HDMI ARC port for a more stable connection. If the stick feels tight or awkward behind the TV, use the HDMI extension adapter. Then connect the stick to it. This makes the setup easier and cleaner. Next, power it up. You can connect the power cable directly to your TV's USB port, but it is better to use the power adapter that came with the device. Plug the adapter into a working power source, either a wall socket or a multi-plug extension. Once everything is connected, turn on your TV. Now go to the Input or Source menu on your TV and select the HDMI port where the Fire Stick is connected. You will now be prompted to press the menu button on the remote. At this point, remove the back cover of the remote and insert both batteries correctly. Then press the button. Start by selecting your language. Then choose your region. You will see an option to set up your Fire Stick using your phone with the Fire TV app via QR code. Many of you may not have the app or may be watching this on your phone, so we will continue with the remote setup. Select that option using the remote. It will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your network, enter the password, and press Connect using the remote. Once your Fire TV Stick 4K Max is connected to Wi-Fi, setup will continue with account sign-in and device configuration. The device will automatically check for and download the latest software updates. This may take a few minutes, and it may restart once or twice. You will then be asked to register the device. Hit Sign In. You have 3 options: scan the QR code, visit amazon.com/code and enter the 6-digit code, or manually sign in using your Amazon email and password with the remote. We also have a detailed video on this if you want to check it out. Here, we are choosing the remote option. Enter your Amazon email address and press Next. Type your password and press Next again. Your Fire Stick will now be registered to your Amazon account. If you have used a Fire TV device before, you may see an option to restore your apps and settings or set it up as new. We are selecting Set Up as New. Now the device will try to sync your Fire TV remote with your TV's power and volume controls. Confirm your TV brand, then follow the on-screen steps to test volume up, volume down, and power buttons. Next, you will be asked if you want to enable a PIN for purchases and restrict certain content. You can set this up now or turn it off and configure it later from settings. Amazon may also suggest popular apps like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. You can choose the apps you want to install right away or skip this step and download them later from the App Store. We have a video on how to install apps. You can check it out. Finally, the system will apply your settings and take you to the Fire TV home screen. And that is it. Everything is fully set up. Enjoy your newly set up Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Thanks for being with Fix369.